guys, thank you for coming back to thank you for coming back to Craft to the Stars. Today we're going to be doing a slime review. So I have a bunch of slime, so I decided to do a slime review. Yeah, done. Some of my slimes are drying out. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slimes. Some of them are drying out, so I might not be able to show all of them. So let's get started. Let's start with this top one right here. I'll drop one. And these haven't been opened, so they kind of have stuff in the bottom. Let's start with this. My glow in the dark one. I'm pretty sure this one glows in the dark. So let's go get started. Sorry about that. So of course we're gonna have to open it up. Oh, look at that beautiful slime. Hey, it has hair in it. Oh, sorry about that. You might not be able to see the hair, but I can. The hair floats to the top. I do not want slime with hair in it. Does it still have hair in it? No? Okay, I think we're good. Sorry about that. So, okay. Okay, I got this from a kit from Amazon, of course. No, not a sponsor. Not a sponsor. Not sponsoring anything. Just I really like this set. It was from Elmers, I think. Yeah, Elmers. It's really cool. It has you can make awesome slimes with it, like this. Elmers, like the Elmers kit, like the Elmers. I didn't make this myself. It was already like made like Elmer's goo. I already made Elmer's goo. So this one's not really drying up. I should have washed my table before I did this. Okay. These things are really drippy. So let me show you. I'm gonna put this on the table. That's where we're gonna get stuff on it. So, see, this slime is very nice. Everyone has to start somewhere, and definitely a slime has to. Because without a slime's, like, stuff, it's not really a slime. You have, like, cute stuff in it. Okay, do you think you're ready for the night? Not the night slime. I said night because I was thinking of the starry slime. Okay, so, ready for the next slime? Or do you want to just watch a little bit more? Okay, we'll watch it for a little bit more. Maybe you might get my camera better. Ugh. My camera's not really doing really good right now. Okay, there you go. Very nice, very cool. Maybe I can, like, get the camera a little bit more up. There you go, like that. Sorry about that. This thing keeps getting a second. Okay, there's the slime. I'm going to put it back in now. In this little container. Okay. I don't want it on my thing. Okay. Don't mess with that stuff. Okay, there. Why did I say don't mess with that stuff to the, slime? Okay, I was thinking as a person. Okay, that's just funny. Okay, guys, I think you guys are ready for the next slime. Just gotta put this back in. Okay, I think that's the best we're gonna get. Let's do this next slime. I still have a bunch of slime on my hands. I should go around a towel while I was here. Okay, probably the last thing I'm gonna be doing is the stickiest slime. Okay, so stay tuned. Next slime is this slime. This is a really nice slime. It's really pretty too. See that? Really pretty. So deep. That's just really pretty. thing is this one's drying up. So this is one of the ones that's just drying up. But it's still really good. It's more of a, like, maybe I should call it like more of a gel slime than a slime. So this could just be a gel slime. I got to get all these beads mixed in now. Because I haven't played with these in a long time. That's why they're drying up. But I need to play with them so you can get more, well, deliciously pretty. This one, you kind of have to, like, stretch it, like, really hard to get, and they don't pop, and the bubbles don't pop good. Let's go to the next slime. Next slime is a slime. This is not my favorite slime, but it's my second favorite slime. Look at this. And guess what? All the glitter went to the top. See that? Ready? Here's ready. I don't have any like good microphones, so you can't really hear it that good. Really sorry. I don't really have any microphones at all, so like really sorry. But I do got some good. The other one we'll be talking about is my favorite one. The next one. Oh, so pretty. I got this from the same kit as the one with the pony beads. I forgot what those things are called. And the stars. There's only a few. This is a really nice cloud slime I'm going to show you. I don't know if it's drying up yet. And this is a really nice honey smelling slime. But it's like it's drying up completely. It's not even really a slime anymore. It's kind of like a rock now. Like a very soft rock, but like still. Next one. Okay, here's the one. I put clay in this one. Like really nice clay. Okay. The clay came with, oh, something dropped. Ooh, it's a little thing. I'm not even going to fill slime yet. There's no slime in this one yet, but there's a little container that I could. Okay, here you go. We put stuff in there. You see, this is just a normal looking one. Wait until you see the bottom. Okay, this is a Fruity Tooty one. This got a, oh my goodness, look at the top. What happened to it? This one's really stiff. All that stuff I added to it rose to the top. All the pretty stuff. Just gotta get this out. Don't worry, it's not drying up, I don't think. So don't worry about this stuff at the bottom. It just sticks to the bottom. Here we go. Now let's go see. You see all that stuff in it? That's the stuff I added to it. And it rose to the top. Looks like a little bit like see. Okay, something dropped. Sorry. Okay, do you see that? Okay, I'm going to try to spread it around. Okay. Just watch it. Very pretty, very cute. I do have a really cute bubblegum slime somewhere. But I don't know where it is. I should try to find it. Okay, next slime. Oh, what's the next one? Not the sticky slime. This slime. This one. I think this is one of the ones that are drying up, sadly. These are the ones that's drying up. Something dropped. Don't worry. Okay, so this is one of the ones that's drying up. So I'm gonna just call it like a gel slime, I guess. It has a bunch of apples in it and lots of sprinkles. I'm just gonna have to spread it around to make sure it got every single sprinkle in every place. See? I can't stretch it too far because it's kind of drying out. It's kind of more of a jelly slime. One of my favorite slimes are drying out, which is really sad. It's not this one, but it's another one. I'll just show you it, okay? This slime, it won't settle, and it's just turning into a big rock. It's very sad. If it was a watermelon slime, oh, it's so cute. Oh, and it smelled like honey. Oh, it was so amazing. Okay, next slime. Okay, here's the cloud slime. Yeah, I got it somewhere. This one smells really weird, but it has a little Starbucks thing on it. Very nice. Wait until you actually see it. There's some sprinkles in here. You can't put too much stuff in this kind of slime, or else it'll just fall out. But look at that. It's so soft and cloudy looking. It's so much fun to squeeze. See that? Oh, that's like mold, but like in a good way. Like clouds. It's supposed to smell, I think it's supposed to smell like pumpkin latte, but it gets all these powdery stuff in your hands too. Okay, I think you guys are ready for the last one, which is the stickiest too. Okay, there you go. Just trying to get this off my hands. Okay, ready for the stickiest slime. Unless I can find that other slime. Just let me just check. Check. Where'd it go? I don't think I'll be able to show you the bubblegum slime right now, even though it's like amazing. But maybe I'll show it a different day. Sorry. Okay, this one. The sticky slime. Oh, I'm just so afraid to touch it now since it got so sticky. Oh, it's so cute. It got all the stuff on the bottom. All my favorite ones. The watermelon and the kiwis and stuff. I do have a new favorite. I thought it was like an ugly strawberry, but it's actually a, whoa, that's crazy. Oh, ew, it's turned into goo. Okay. I think we'll have to end it here. Okay, see you later.